Hello everyone. In this session, we will be taking a look at the Tableau join. In the last session, when we were talking about the data blending, we came across the multiple methods of linking a data set. The first option was to create a relationship. The second option was to create a join, and the third option was to create a blend. Now, please find the PPT. The spelling of joins is Joins. Now, if we are talking about the joining in day-to-day language, joining means combining two or more things. In Tableau, we can perform four types of joins. Here, with the help of Venn diagram, we will see these joins. The first one is the inner join. The second one is the outer join. Third one is the left join, and then we have the right join. Now, if you take a close look at the diagrams, for the inner join, we can see that it represents the intersection of two data. In the full outer join, you can see that both the circles are in blue color. That means both the circles are completely participating in that join. In the right join, you can see that the right side circle is highlighted in blue color. That means only this part and the common entity between both of the circles is participating in this kind of join. For the left side, you can see that only the left circle is in blue, and it means that it is only participating in that kind of join and also the common entity. Here the two circle represents the data set which we will be trying to create the join. We will first start with the inner join. Here I'll give you an example of a data set. For example, picture this. You have a data set which is having all the marks of a student studying in the class 11. Then we also have a different data set in which we have the marks of these students maybe from a dance class. Now, in the dance group, there can be multiple participants which can all belong from the whole of school, not just the class 11th part. Now, in this data, there can be fields like what is the dance form they are learning, their level, and the mark. Now, if I want to combine these two data sets, I can see that the student ID is kind of a common entity over here. Now, suppose if you try to join these two data sets, then it would be only showing you the data which is common in both the data sets. So it means that only data of the people that are in the class 11 and also learning to dance would be shown in the inner join, since the inner join is the intersection of both data sets. Now, the next type of join is the outer join. Outer join basically means combining both these data sets by taking their union. Here, we will be getting the results in the form of all the class 11 students as well as the students who have taken the enrollment in the dance class. Here, it is not compulsory that every 11th class student is participating in the dance class, and also that every dance student would be belonging to the class 11. So it would be representing the whole data in which there would be records of every class 11 student and every dance class student as well. The problem here would be that while it would be showing you all the data, there would be multiple blank or null values for the data it cannot find. Example, the dance marks of every student of class 11 or the class 11th marks of every dance student. The biggest drawback over here is the null values. You can see on the screen when a value from either of the table will not match a value with the other table, we will be seeing a null value in the. Moving to the left join. Let's say that the left side table was the class 11 students and the right side table is the dance class dataset. If I apply the left join in the dataset, it would show me the values for all the students of class 11 who have taken part in the dance class. And the people who have not taken part, their values would be shown as blanks. Moving to the right join here, things opposite to the left join would happen in this case. The class marks of all the students from class 11th would be shown, but it would show the dance marks as null for the students who are from any other kind of class. Say if you have 9, 10th, 12th class data, it will be shown you the blank value. Null values have always been the issue with joins. So let's see some other kind of common issues that we face when we are creating joins. There are some other common issues as well. For example, the first one is the different capitalization. So if you have this data set that represents the same value present in different cases, that is the upper and the lower case in both these data sets, then it can create a problem for us. The second one is the different spelling. Different spelling can also cause issues. For example, you write voice and then you added apostrophe to it in the other data set and you wrote it as voices. Data entry error can also cause issues where a thing pronounced can have different kind of spelling. Then the abbreviations such as using PVT instead of private can also cause some issue. The last issue can be the extra spaces. These are the things that can create problems when we are trying to do joins in tab. So I hope the concept of joins was clear and what are the different kind of joins, and we will see how we can perform them in Tableau when we will be dealing with a data set over there. Until then, thank you.